South Africa, Trinidad and Tobago, Venezuela, Vietnam, Yugoslavia. The last four countries that I am about to call are the ones with the most representation here today. Jamaica, Nicaragua, Haiti, the United States government, it is my pleasure to present these 3,001 applicants from 84 countries